Evening, he was accused of killing his baby daughter.
But tonight, the charges against the Niagara Falls father have been dropped. News 4's Lori Schultz has more in today's turn of events. Lori?
That's right. Jury selection was expected to begin Monday morning, but today prosecutors decided that the evidence gathered by the Erie County Medical Examiner's Office wasn't strong enough to move forward. The accused, Jason Kirchner, broke his silence this afternoon. A teary-eyed Jason Kirchner hugged his attorney, Michele Bergevin, as he emerged from a Niagara County courtroom shortly after prosecutors moved to dismiss the manslaughter indictment against him in the death of his 7-month-old daughter.
For 9 months, I've been a monster at work. Everybody looks at you like you killed your daughter. The newspaper articles have been made me look like a monster. And how do you explain something didn't happen?
Abigail died in May of last year. The indictment against her dad was solely based on an autopsy conducted by Erie County Medical Examiner Dr. James Wojtosh that showed the girl died of blunt force trauma to the head. A forensic pathologist hired by Kirchner's family disagreed, as did other local medical experts later consulted by the district attorney's office.
Essentially, in our opinion, the autopsy was wrong in all respects.
Kirchner, an air-base worker, continues to insist that any marks on his daughter occurred the day before she died, when she fell and struck her head on a table.
How did the baby die?
Our doctor says that most likely the cause of death was pneumonia.
This was the second baby death case in Niagara County in at least 3 months, where prosecutors moved to dismiss the indictment, prompting some stern words from the judge. Kirchner, who did 2 tours overseas, says the pain the accusations inflicted are incalculable. He's now going through a divorce and has only limited contact with his surviving daughter.
A lot of lies. I can't get into that now. Everybody turned their back on me.
It's unbearable to think that the negligence of an autopsy could cause this much trauma on someone's life.
Now, Kirchner says his estranged wife still does not believe Abigail's death was not intentional. She was not at court today. Meanwhile, this case gained the attention of a Buffalo attorney who continued his ongoing criticisms of the way autopsies were performed in several high-profile deaths in Erie County. I'll have much more on that coming up at 6. Live, Lori Schultz, News 4.